I wiped most of the paint off the brush on a paper towel. I rinsed it. I added some Castile soap, just a mild soap I use because I'm allergic to other kinds of soap. And I start scrubbing onto the brush cleaning mat. It's just a silicone mat with grooves. And then notice that I push the hairs with my finger so the inside of the brush gets cleaned really well. And I keep scrubbing until I am confident that most of the paint has been loosened up. And now some clean water, and you can tell by when you scrub again that there is no more blue water coming out. And now it's ready. I shake the water out of the brush really well a few times, and then I grab a paper towel. This type of brushes, the hair can splay out, so to maintain the shape of the brush, I just wrap it gently with a paper towel, keep the hairs tightly wrapped, not too tight, but snugly wrapped with a paper towel. It helps absorbing the water, and it helps keeping the shape of the brush nice and neat when it dries. Then I lay it flat to dry, always flat, never upright. This way you can keep the handle safe from water damage.